Unlock the secret to perfectly replicating a beloved artistic style in Midjourney by mastering the art of the reference image. Have you ever created a Midjourney image that just captured your imagination? The perfect lighting, a unique composition, or a specific artistic flair and wish you could reproduce it or build upon it? Today, we'll dive deep into exactly how to do that, using a reference image to guide Midjourney's AI with incredible precision. The key to replicating an image's style or composition lies in providing Midjourney with a visual prompt. First, you'll need your reference image. This could be anything you've previously generated in Midjourney, or even a photograph or artwork you admire. To bring your reference into Midjourney, you'll upload it to your Discord chat. Simply drag and drop your chosen image into your chat window, or use the upload function. Once uploaded, you need to get the image's direct URL. Click on the image in Discord itself to open it in full screen. Then, right-click on the image and select Copy Image Address. Make sure you're copying the direct link to the image file, not just a link to the Discord message. Now, head back to the Midjourney bot. You'll start your prompt by pasting this image URL directly into the prompt box. Immediately after the image URL, you'll then add your descriptive text. This is where you tell Midjourney what you want to create, building on the style or composition established by your reference. Think about the mood, the elements you want to include, and any specific details you want to emphasize or change. Hit enter and watch the magic happen. Midjourney will now analyze your reference image and use it as a strong guide for your new generation. You'll find the resulting images closely mirroring the aesthetic qualities of your reference, while still incorporating your new textual descriptions. This technique is incredibly powerful for maintaining a consistent artistic voice across your creations, exploring variations on a theme, and truly expanding your creative possibilities. Experiment with different reference images and prompts to see how far you can push your artistic boundaries.